The famous Dr. Carl Jung once said that how you feel on the inside radiates to the people on the outside. That how you feel on the inside actually pushes out to the people on your outside. Now, you and I both know this to be true because we all have been around that energy-sucking vampire, that person that walks inside your office and all your living plants just, and they just die in their presence. They suck the life from us and they actually take days off our life. You know what I'm talking about? I look at my life and I say, what is my highest priority? What is one of the things I have to concentrate on every day? And the answer is, I gotta feel good. I gotta feel good because when I feel good, I show up big, I take more action, I have more confidence, I get better results, I create the kind of life experience that I want. But on the days that I don't feel good, I don't feel like exercising, I don't feel like making phone calls, I don't feel like doing anything. I want to go home and watch Oprah, right? The reality is this, for you and for I, feeling good has got to become a part of our routine. What do you do that creates feeling good? Who do you talk to? What do you say to yourself? What do you listen to? It could be music, it could be a video like this, but you tap in to that experience that gets your brain thinking, yes, I'm a yes. I'm not a no for I'm a yes for life. I'm a yes for making phone calls. I'm a yes for engaging new people. I'm a yes for doing video, not caring what my hair looks like. And when you're a yes, what happens? What happens to your relationship? What happens to the connection you have with your children? What happens to the next business opportunity you walk into when you're feeling good and you're a yes? You know what? People are attracted to that. Nobody is attracted to the energy-sucking vampire. We avoid those people. We want them out of our lives. They suck days of our life out of us. You with me on this? You and I, we want to be the people that when we show up, we add days to their life, that our energy is infectious. That starts with creating rituals that create that energy, that create that state of happiness, that state of feeling good. So my question for you is, what do you do? What's your morning routine? Are you writing gratitudes? Are you doing affirmations? Are you listening to something? Are you moving your body? Are you taking a freezing cold shower? Yes, a freezing cold shower, because it wakes you up. Are you doing that, or are you still caught in some old routine, the way you've always done it, the way your parents done it, the way my family always did it, or how we do it in my country or around here? No one cares. No one cares. You need to interrupt the pattern. It is your life, and this is your moment to change. You got to decide how you want it to be. Think about it like this. Can you believe in 2019 that there are actually people that watch the news? Can you believe that? Constant negative news, Fox News, MSNBC, BBC, global everything. It is all BS. It is designed to stir you up, get you emotional, get you yelling at the TV. Does that make you feel good? I think we should actually do a survey. Think about it right now. Maybe give me a comment below. If you watch the news, do you end that session of watching the news and say, God, I feel amazing. I want to make some phone calls. I want to go love on my spouse. I want to go call my friends. I want to go read. I want to go do something great with my life. No, you finish that saying, why is all this garbage happening in the world? I dare you to cut off the noise. And I double dare you to step into your greatness and start feeding your beautiful brain with better strategies, better ideas, new approaches, ways to improve, like social proof that other people have done it in worse situations before and they found it inside of them to get that strength. Study the art of happiness. Study what it means to feel good, kinesiology, how your body works. You study this stuff, my friends, and I promise you, within a few years, you'll be unrecognizable. You'll be that person that everybody else is talking about. How did she do it? God, look at her. She lost weight. She looks great. She's so confident. She's so sure of herself. And of course, look at her business and look at her relation. I'm like, isn't that what you want? Don't you want to be that person? Now is the time. Your number one job every day is to feel good.